Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright guys, today is part 13 of this 2006 Kia Sportage EX with the 2.7 engine rebuild. So let's see what we're going to do today. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, today we're going to take a ride down to H&F Performance in Wilson, North Carolina. We're going to drop the cylinder heads off, and later on in the video, hopefully they'll allow us to videotape them, talk to the guys, and you can also see the machines they're going to use to do everything. And later on in the video, I'm going to tell you why we chose them. Alright, the first thing we need to do is go inside the house, get our cylinder heads prepared. What I mean by that, we're going to take off the bolts and everything, make sure everything is off before they do the work on it. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, we got 4 new exhaust valves. And remember, I was going to change these 4 valves right here, but after I washed it up and cleaned it up, these actually look good. Except for that one, that one. The valves look good, it's just that it's got raised lettering on them, and the raised lettering on these are kind of worn down. So I'm going to take that as an indication that the valve is actually worn down. So I got 1, 2, and this one, I got 1 right there. And I'm going to tell them I need those 3 replaced. And if he feels one of the other exhaust valves maybe questionable, here's another one to change it. And we got the new valve stem seals. Now what I did was get 2 hefty bags, mark them left and right for their respective cylinder heads. And let's turn this over. I'm going to let you know what I did. Turn it over. I'm going to start from the exhaust side, and I mark the bolts. 1, 2, 3, and so forth around. Now what I'm going to do now is take pictures, or actually just since Siri is videotaping it, she's videotaping that side so I can know exactly where the bolts went to. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put them in the bag and go so she can see how that side is. You can take that off. And then I'm going to go around and do that side, and then the other cylinder head, and I'm going to put all of them in a bag. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, we're just going to record this one so I can know where the bolts are. Get up there? Yeah. Okay, I can take that off right about right. Alright, and this is the right cylinder head, and I noticed there's like some kind of guide down here. So I'm going to take that up as well. And this one is not on the left cylinder head. Alright, let's get that done. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we got both bags filled. Now the next thing we're going to do is, they got these little metal half moon, they're not seals because they're actually metal. And wow, them things are really glued in there. Okay, so facing, since Sylvia's recording, on the right cylinder head, they're on the outside. Okay, and on the left cylinder, okay, on both cylinder heads, they are on the outside. What the heck? This one is actually broken. How the heck? And this is, look at this, man. What the? Man, we're gonna get all 4 new ones. Forget that. How the heck did that break? All right, so let's grab us a pair of vice grips here. Oh, they're loose too. So how the heck did that break? Pull them right up, and there they go. Let's see if this one's loose. No. Man. All right, we'll put them in the bag, but we're definitely gonna get new ones. All right, let's get both heads done, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. The next thing we're gonna do is put these in the trunk, and we're gonna take a ride down at H&F. So the next time we come back, we'll be down at H&F, and hopefully the guys will let me record a little bit. I mean, they should. I'll make sure I got my uniform on so they can see that stars. They know who I am. They said, oh, that's Astral. I said, these guys, I'm pretty sure they're going to be cool because they sound really nice over the phone. All right, we'll meet you down there. We'll be right back. All right, guys, I spoke to the lady. She said pull down here to the 4th door.
Now you might want to explain to them what we were just doing since
the microphone off. We're pulling here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go right here.
Well, you have to knock on the bay door?
I don't know. That'd be somebody. I don't know. I'm gonna knock on it. We'll see. All right, guys. Let me see what's going on. I'll be right back. All right, guys. We down here, guys. I spoke to one of the guys there. We're not going to record. Definitely understandable. There's a lot of race equipment here, a lot of expensive stuff. So we're not going to put that on video. But we do got a cart out here. We'll put the cylinder heads on the cart, and we're going to drop them off. And guys, all right, while I'm here, the reason why we chose H&F is because we called 3 different people. And, well, we called them because we were recommended by Fisher Auto Parts. You know, we guys deal with Fisher Auto Parts. Got to give them a yeah, buddy. These are the only place that went into detail about doing this job. Especially the guy said, you know, we'll even clean them up. It was extra, of course. But I felt comfortable. I felt like they knew what they was talking about. So that's why we decided to drop them off here. So here we are. This is the last time you're going to see these heads. The next time you're going to see these heads, they're going to be... Son of a biscuit. We got to go back. I forgot the valves, them seals, and the valves. Unbelievable. We got to take another trip out here. All right, we're going to drop these off, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we dropped the heads off. Guys, there is definitely a change of plans here. We were speaking again, and it's $5 a piece to change the valve stem seals. But to change those valves, and this part I'm not understanding, to change the valves and to clean the valves up, it becomes $11 per valve. So I'm like, wait a minute. so we just gonna have them clean it up, surface the head, and we're gonna be doing the valve seals ourselves. So I guess you're gonna get a bonus video out of this. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back at home. Alright, so here's what we got. It was $5 per valve stem seal. But what we didn't know was that doesn't entail removing the valves. I'm not sure if it was on video or not. The guy he said we can replace the valve stem seal. Now get this, guys. He can replace the valve stem seals without having to remove the valve, which means he can take the spring up, replace the seal, and change it. Something new to me, but hey, they're the professionals. They know what they mean. So that was $5. So that if he wanted us to change those valves, now we're talking more. So which means that he said now he's not going to do 1 or 2. In order to do that, he was going to have to do all of them. He wants to do a complete job. But I can understand. You don't want to do 1 or 2, but I'm going to do 1 or 2. But then the price was going to be $11 per valve. And that included removing the valve, cutting the seat, cleaning them up and all that. And, you know, cutting the valve seats and all that. I guess that would have been that's a fair price. But that's just not a price Tim is willing to pay. So what we're going to do, we left the heads down there. We're going to have him surface them. And special bonus, I guess what our next video is going to be is me replacing the valve seals and grinding them. I'm going to show grinding the valves into the seat and all that as well. So here we go. We got to do this. Well, good. Sometimes things you got to do better yourself. One thing I did notice, we was talking for a while, and a lot of you guys know there's the head gaskets. There's the MLS gaskets. The MLS gaskets is multi-layered steel gaskets. That's the gaskets that's going these. Huh?
MLS?
MLS. Multi-layered steel gaskets.
You said LMS.
Oh.
Oh.
You know, I told her in a video before, stop correcting me on video. That makes the third time this year she did that.
You said the third time this year last time.
Oh, then it's the fourth time. I don't appreciate it. I'm the professional.
I'm just saying.
Now I gotta cut this out of the video. Alright, so anyway, he said, you know, they build a lot of high performance engines there. So they don't like stuff being recorded and all that. I can dig it. I can understand it. But he said, you know, when you're rebuilding, when you're doing engines, he said those are far better gaskets than the ones we're used to. You know, the material, some kind of paper material and all that. He said they're far better. So, and I took that and I was like, cool. Because when we rebuild the engine on the Mustang, and you're going to be doing it with me, we're going to be using the multi-layered gaskets as well. And he gave a name, but I think it was Canesta. I don't know. One I'm gonna be looking up. We're gonna find out. But I definitely want to.
Can you get that for any vehicle? Like, for example, if I go look up for the Cougar, I would have that option.
Good question. I don't know. So I guess what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Rock Auto and just happen to look up the '91 Mustang, and I'm gonna see if those is that option available. I'm definitely curious about that. But anyway, all right. So we're gonna wait for them to come back. So tune into next episode, guys. Next episode is going to be a real quick 4 or 5 minute video because I want to keep this video by itself because there's a very crucial information in that video for all you guys out there who are going to rebuild these Kia engines and Hyundai engines, and I believe it's some other manufacturers that have these little things in it as well. All right, I'll be right back.
Okay, so that was our adventure for today. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is
Superstar. She's a superstar.
This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.